Well, welcome to another 101 poetry prompts. Today's prompt is number 44, Battleground. Let's get on with the story. Google casualties in any war, and it's different than you might think, you might figure. Compare the civilian and uniform casualties, and the civilian number is bigger. In both modern and ancient war, where the slings and arrows crack, lies the business end of the spear, and it reaches all the way back. Back to the farms and the fields, the factories and the towns, the mines and the armories, and the trucks moving things around. And then from Dresden to Atlanta, from Hiroshima to the Brits burning D.C., leveling the cities of supporting our foe, and 2,000 civilian ships all lost at sea. The battleground of the Atlantic, of the blitz and firebombing war, the pilots paid a hefty price, but the civilians suffered more. The battleground is never isolated. On that famous San Juan Hill, there's another road up that mountain, yet still paved with courage and will. So when I am thanked for my service, I don't get all red, white, and blue, because I know the battleground is bigger, and I know I should be thanking you too. Okay, that's today's story. Tomorrow's prompt is 45. The bottom of the wishing well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for playing along.